Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Guys, you know my motto is learn something, create something, and share something. So what did I learn this week? I learned how to 3D print these little jigs for these keychains, and I am going to share with you guys how I set these up. Now, this is not a one-piece unit, as you guys can see here. These are actually 3 separate units here on the LaserPecker 4, and I'm just using a couple of the screws to just keep them lined up. But so far, guys, this has been perfect. So I could just take one of these out real quick just to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it's going to look like once you 3D print it. Very simple, you know, a little cutout right here for that little bulb. These just pop out just like so, and you can fit these in really easily, no problem there. Now, I did find this file, if I'm not mistaken, over on Printable, so you'll be able to print these with your 3D printer. I printed 3 of them so far, and this is how I'm using them here with my LaserPecker 4. So you can just kind of line these up just like this, and you can do a batch of about 3 of these at a time. Now, of course, if you're using your slide extension, you can actually do more. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how I would use this with the slide extension and how I'll hold them in place so that they don't move around, so that you'll be able to repeat the job over and over again. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to share this little bit of information with the community, and hopefully this will benefit somebody out there who is looking to create some cool wooden keychains. All right, here we go. There's your jig. Get it right there. The file is downloadable, and the link should be in the description. All right, guys, I'll see you guys tonight on my Amazon Live. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I am out.